Hello, it's Ask Anastasia, and I will show you one more of our property. We got here to pick up some stuff from the garage. They're using it as a storage, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this property. We bought this house about 3 years ago, I believe. And I bought it actually, not me, my honey bought it online on auctions.com while we were still in California. And this house is a triplex. As you can see, it's first floor and second floor. It's 2 doors. I'm gonna show you a street little and neighborhood. And when we were buying it, we just did comps online, and I believe we paid $55,000 for it. But when we look at the comps, it was showing that this property valued in about $200,000. So we were thinking it's really great deal. I'm showing you we have a river right here on the backyard. This is a house, and we have a creek right here. So what I'm trying to say is that when you're buying online, be very careful, because of Tony, my honey, he made this deal work, because that was a single family house, and he kind of separated into 2 units. We are renting first floor for $850. Second floor it's rented for $650. And you see this small house on the back. This is actually 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house, and it's rented right now for $1,000. So if you're gonna add all together, 1,000 plus 650, it's 1,650 plus 825. It's almost 2,500, and we pay 55,000 for it, and it took about 6 months and about $30,000 to fix this one. So good deals are still existing, and even we were thinking that gonna say hi to our tenant. She is our best tenant. Hello.